we are going to discuss about the operating system elements and its organization. Operating system, it is an interface between the user and an hardware system. The key elements of the operating system include the kernel, process management, memory management, file systems, device management, and the security. Now, Vaishnavi is going to explain about the introduction of the operating system's elements and its organization.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let's begin our discussion on elements and organization in OS. We all know about OS is an intermediate between the user and hardware. The key elements in OS is kernel, process management, memory management, and etc. Lots of devices in OS. Let's start by discussing the kernel.
Next, Swati will explain about the kernel and the process management.
Yes, the kernel is the core in OS. This controls everything in system, including how hardware interacts with software. Its major function is process management, like creating, scheduling, interacting, and terminating processes. Multitasking and multiprocessing is possible in kernel operations.
Management and file management will be explained by Shweta.
Adding to that, memory management is established. It keeps track to each bit in computed memories and management. Allocation and depletion, the file system organizes stored data. It handles operations like naming, access, insights, and direct structures.
Can you explain about the device management?
Yes, device management ensures that all input and output devices like printers, hardware, device and monitors work correctly through devices. Security is a vital role element that users do not unauthorized access system and product against malware and misuse.
Let's discuss about OS organization models. Let's now talk about how the OS is organized. There are several models like monolithic, layered, microkernel, and modular. In monolithic systems, the entire OS works in kernel space, which is far faster but less secure.
Now I am going to explain about layered and microkernel models. Exactly, the layered model separates the OS into layers, where each layer has specific functions. It improves maintainability and functionality. The microkernel model, of the other hand, will run exactly services in kernel model, while the rest run in upper space, and this enhances the security and scalability. The layer model can separate into several areas, like in OS.
Management and file management will be explained by Shweta.
Adding to that, memory management is established. It keeps track to each bit in computed memories and management. Allocation and depletion, the file system organizes stored data. It handles operations like naming, access, insights, and direct structures. Discuss about the modular and hybrid system. The modular approach allows components to be loaded and unloaded components. Dynamically model operating systems like Unix follows this. Also hybrid system like Windows combine features from both monolithic and microkernel architectures.
Let us summarize the operating system elements and its organization. To be concluded, understanding the elements and organize of operating system helps in knowing how tasks are handled efficiently. Each element from memory to security plays a key role, and a different organization models offer trade-off between performance, maintainability, and security.
From this group discussion, we came to know about the key elements of the operating systems, kernel, process management, device management, file systems, and the security.